What is up, everybody? We're back again with another unboxing. Today we're going to take a look at the Koogeek Smart Light Strip. This one is a little bit different than the Savannah Home Light Strip that we took a look at in the previous video. This one does work with Apple HomeKit as well, but this is a USB powered. So most likely it's only going to be powered when the TV is on. Now, the good news about that is that, it's only powered when the TV come on, but if you do want to control it while the TV's off, you can always connect it into a power adapter or something like that to get power if you didn't want to, if you're wanting to be able to use the light while the TV is not on. So let's open it up. Just got some scissors here. All right. Okay, so right there, as you can see, we have the light strip. We have some literature there on top. And then we have the actual light strip. All right, and then this one, the power adapter is already connected to it. So that's basically it. I'm expecting setup to be fairly easy. So this is just an unboxing and a little quick install. We're gonna install it onto the back of this TV here, and we'll see how it works. But I do like the simplicity of it. As you can see, you don't have much to work with. Get this attached to the TV, and we're just gonna open up the HomeKit app and see how easy the install and setup is. We have installed the light strip on the back of the TV. I don't have any L shapes, so what I'm gonna do is just curve it around like this on both sides. And the controller is down here plugged into USB. We're gonna simply open up the HomeKit app, scan these digits right here, and then we should be able to have control over the light. So you have one button here that you can operate it manually. And like I said, if you did want to connect this to power to be able to use it without the TV being on, just simply connect the USB into a power source and you should be able to control this. But for now, you're only going to get power when the TV is on. So let's get connected. All right, so we have the TV on, and as you can see, we have power. And it's blinking, so we're just going to open the Apple HomeKit app and finish the setup. As you can see, it's asking for the HomeKit registration code, which we're going to just use the literature here instead of getting it off the back of the device. And we're just going to come over here and we're going to scan it. All right, guys, so as you can see, once you have the HomeKit light strip successfully installed, it will show up here, and then you should be able to control all the settings you like you can control the brightness, you control the colors, and you can control the on and off and everything right from the HomeKit app. All right, guys, what I did, I chose to go with an outlet power source instead of having it plugged into the back of the USB, just so we can operate while the TV's off. And as you can see, it's a similar setup to the Savannah HomeKit light strip. You see you have your brightness and your settings down there. You can control the brightness in the different colors. So hope this video was helpful, guys. As always, like, subscribe, share, and until next time, see you in the next video.